Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of allowing a site to use cookies in Chrome on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can customize your cookie settings and improve your browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by clicking on its icon. Step 2. Click on the More button. Located at the top right corner of the browser, click on the 3 vertical dots to access the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings to access the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Click on Privacy and Security. On the settings page, locate and click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Step 5. Navigate to third-party cookies. Find and click on third-party cookies within the Privacy and Security section. Step 6. Customize cookie behaviors. Under Customize Behaviors, and click on Add to specify the site you want to allow to use cookies. Congratulations! You have successfully allowed a site to use cookies in Chrome on your PC. This will enable a personalized browsing experience on that particular website. Or if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on enhancing your digital experience. Thank you for watching.